So unless you've been living under a rock, everybody has seen the commercials for the Ring doorbell or knows someone that actually has one. These are pretty popular and for good reason. These actually are motion detected, so if you come up to one, it will start recording. And when you push the button, it'll actually give that distinctive ring.
There it is. Well, that's coming through here. The noise.
So you can actually check it out through the app, which is very easy to use.
So here's live.
Here we are live, waving at the camera, as you can see. So again, it just shows us ringing the doorbell and showing us live. Here's some bonus footage of a fox that we caught roaming around out back, and as you can see, the picture quality is very clear.